Welcome back. State government is planning for a surveillance project at every major junction in Goa with advanced system to monitor traffic rule violators and other security-related movements. Chief Minister said government will soon invite proposal from the interested agencies. Government will seek special grants from 14th Finance Commission considering security threat perception to the tourist state. CM Parrikar also said that time-bound Public Service Act and rules will be finalized and implemented by December.
We are also examining a complete surveillance cum such project at every main junctions with automated signal system. But there will be a monitoring room required. So government is working on that. Maybe another couple of months we should be able to come to a conclusion, and then we can start the process of at least doing it on main roads and main cities. Speaker sir, आम्ही 14 फायनान्स कमिशन 14 फायनान्स कमिशन जे येता गोंयान मंथ एंडा घेतले ते तांकां सुद्धा ह्या हाज्या खातीर स्पेशल ग्रांट मागल्या कारण गोवा इज अ टुरिस्टीक स्पॉट. So we are asking for special grant based on the security threat perception with 14 Finance Commission also for this. Public Service Act जो आसा पळय तो ही असेंब्ली जातकूच ताजे रूल फायनलायज करून तो इम्प्लिमेंट करप डिसेंबरा पयलीं हें ताका सोल्युशन आसा.
कितलो आनी एक वर्सा भितर काय
नाही एका वर्साचें सगळें जावचें ना, पण आमी सुरवात ह्या वर्सान केन्ना ना तरी ह्या वर्सा भितर थोड्या प्रमाणाचेर ताजी सुरवात करतले बिफोर दीस फायनान्शियल इयर एंड्स. पण सगळ्यो गजाली एका वर्सा भितर जावच्यो ना कारण ताका मेन कितें आसा CCTV घालपाक स्पीकर सर इज नॉट अ बिग प्रॉब्लेम. वी कॅन पुट CCTV प्रॉबेबली इन 1 or 2 months. मॉनिटरींग जालें ना हांव सगळ्यांक इम्पॉर्टंट गजाल विचारता. इफ देर इज नो मॉनिटरींग वॉट इज द पॉयंट इन हॅविंग CCTV? सो आय एम इन प्रोसेस ऑफ एस्टॅब्लिशिंग cyber cell in the police department. We are going to do this free of cost. That means we will not pay on the top of it, we will get revenue out of it. There are various methods which have been suggested by people. One of them is like, for example, advertising rights at the signals. If you give advertising right at the signal, they are ready to operate the signal free of charge with CCTV.
तशें आयल्या तुमचे प्रपोजल?
हय तरेतरेची आयल्या, but transparency does not allow me to give it to one company. We will float a proper RFP and then select. म्हणून हांवें 2 म्हयन्यांनी म्हणलें.
Goa State Judo Association is confident that the selection of team is perfect and selected team will win medals. They have filed an affidavit before the High Court justifying selection of India-Goa Judo team for Lusophonia Games. Selection process has been challenged by some judo players of Goa before the High Court.
Goa State Judo Association in its reply filed before the High Court has justified selection of 10 players from outside the Goa in 14 players team. The association has said that maximum players have been selected from other states, keeping in the mind the target to win medals in the event. Petitioner Ivina Miranda has contended that the selectors chose the team without giving Goan players a chance to participate in trial for selection. Petitioner also contended that all the players are being selected without any trial. The High Court will now hear this matter on 12th November. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Churchill Brothers find themselves under even more pressure now as technical director Sukhwinder Singh has parted company with the defending champions. Churchill have made a poor start to 2013-14 I-League season by collecting just 2 points from the available 12. Under such circumstances, the club is now reeling due to the departure of the experienced Sukhwinder. Chief Executive Officer Valanka Alemau has urged her team to give their best in the upcoming matches.
Former India coach Sukhwinder Singh has a huge treasure of experience, having won titles as the coach of the senior national team, youth team and of National Football League club JCT, who had won the inaugural league championship. The 64-year-old former footballer turned coach had taken over as the technical director of Churchill Brothers after Subhash Bhaumik had vacated the position, having masterminded Churchill's title triumph last season. However, a poor start to the new season by the Warka-based club has led to the departure of Sukhwinder Singh now. It will not be a surprise if Churchill Brothers reappoint Bhaumik to bring their campaign back on track. Chief Executive Officer of Churchill Brothers, Valanka Alemao, knows what needs to be done.
We have to learn from our mistakes. We have been the champions, and being the defending champions, we have much more to do. So for the players also and the coach, for all of you, since we have been given such a prestigious award by the Sport Journalists of Goa and everybody here, and everybody is praying and wanting us to do more, I assure you all and I promise that we'll work hard and try to give our best.
Churchill, who are languishing in the 11th place, will play their next I-League match on Saturday against third-placed Pune FC in Pune. And by no means Pune will be an easy opponent. These are tough times for coach Mariano Diaz, who had bagged the Best Coach Award 2012-13 at Geno Sports Awards ceremony recently. Bureau Report, Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.